today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a schedule in Gohighlevel 2026. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on your main dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen because that's where you'll find the main navigation menu for this process. From that menu, navigate to Settings and click on it. This will take you into the area where account level and team-related options are managed. If you're not used to working in this section, just take your time and follow along closely, because everything you need is grouped in the left sidebar. Next, on the left-hand side menu inside Settings, click on My Staff. This is where you can view the users or team members connected to the account. Once the staff list appears, look for the specific user whose schedule you want to rename. Make sure you select the correct person, especially if you manage multiple users with similar roles or schedule setups. After you've found the right user, click the pencil icon next to that user's name. That opens the editable settings for that staff profile. On the left side of this page, click on User Availability. This section contains the availability schedules assigned to that user, so this is where the rename option will be located. Now find the schedule you want to update and click the pencil icon next to that schedule name. This opens the schedule name field so you can make changes. Go ahead and delete the current schedule name, then type in the new schedule name you want to use. When choosing the new name, it's a good idea to make it clear and recognizable. For example, using a name that reflects the purpose of the schedule can make things easier to identify later, especially if the same user has more than one availability setup. Once the new name is entered, click Update. That saves the change and applies the new schedule name right away. After that, you should see a confirmation that the schedule was updated successfully. That lets you know the rename is complete and your changes have been saved, and that's it. That's how you rename a schedule in Gohighlevel. As a quick tip, after updating the schedule name, it's always helpful to glance back through the availability section just to confirm the new name appears exactly as expected. This can help avoid confusion later when booking settings or staff availability are being reviewed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.